Every one of us wants to have a healthy, youthful, and energetic body till we live in this earth. But after a certain period of time, every one of us starts suffering from some disease of the other and start aging, and our body becomes our biggest burden. Now, how to revive or regain the healthiness and the youthfulness of the body without any expensive medicine? Is there a solution? Definitely, yoga has the solution. But before stepping further into the solution, shall we perform a simple test to find out the current status of our body? Please perform this one-step yoga pose for a clear and accurate assessment of the current health of your body.
Keep right leg on the thigh of the left side leg as shown. Fold the hands in the Namaste pose. Raise the hands over your head and keep it there. Close your eyes. Try to maintain this pose for 15 seconds.
If you're able to stand in this pose for 10 seconds, it means your body is perfectly healthy. But if someone is not able to maintain this pose even for 5 seconds, it means they have started aging. These persons will not be able to sleep. Bad dreams start appearing in their sleep, and these people become tired and restless even during the dead of the night. This will result in hair loss or grey hair, thyroid problems, skin problems, nerve problems, digestive disorders, back and knee pain, blood pressure, infertility or the inability to have sex and what not. Now, how to get rid of all these problems and regain the health of your body? Yoga has the answer, and it is Savasana or Asana of the death cause. During Savasana, the body enters into a dreamless deep sleep state. Only during this state, the power and energy of the universe, Prapanch, enters into the body and restores the strength of all the organs of the body. Not only that, this energy heals and cleanses the body and thereby making it radiant and youthful again. But there is a problem. Those who cannot do Triasana cannot do Savasana too. Looks like there is no solution, isn't it? But don't worry. We bring you a revolutionary footwear kit which helps you to achieve Savasana. This kit has been designed combining the best of yoga, meditation, science and Reiki.
Wear the Prapanch trouser and tighten the suspender by using the hook of your convenience. Wear the Prapanch sandals as shown. Hook the belt attached with the sandals to the trouser to your convenience. You must ensure that the numbers of the hook used in the left and right suspenders should be always equal. You can tighten or loosen the belt after lying in the bed. You can experience tremendous improvement in your health from day one of using this product.
Prabanj Shakti takes care of the body and problems get alright. The sandal should be disconnected from the trouser once sleep creeps in. Now you can see that whoever were not able to perform the tree asana before is able to do it now, indicating the body has been restored. Prabanj Bedwear Kit is prepared taking into consideration of every individual's body. Its uniquely positioned beads massages your nerve points in your foot palm. Prabanj Bedwear Kit is safe to use. If you are taking any medication, you can continue with that and stop once you feel they are no more required and having consulted your physician. This can be used by both men and women of any age. If your loved ones are suffering from any chronic disease, you can recommend this product for them also. How to order? Visit mysticindianproducts.com. Take measurements of height, chest, waist, hip, seat, chappal size, check out and buy online. Product will be delivered as soon as possible, most likely between 7 to 14 working days. To get the maximum benefit of Prabanj, some of the do's and don'ts are: no heavy weight lifting, no heavy eating and sleeping immediately, no exercise or yogasana if the two limbs are not firmly on ground. Smoking and drinking are strictly prohibited. Only slow breathing exercises are permitted. No abdomen tightening exercises. They can be started once the body is able to perform tree asana. Medium paced brisk walking is highly recommended. Losing of weight by starving is strictly prohibited. Prabanj energy will not enter into the human body if the body is hungry for food. Learn to face the problems head on instead of shying away from it or crying. We have all the tools available within us to face and win over any problem.
Start enjoying your life by using Prabanj.